So, my sweetheart, Ronke, my lover, I'm going to tell you the attributes of the children of this world. You are running away from them. They run after you. They meet you. They kill you. They are murderers. If they can meet you up, they do all they can to stab you in the back. That's the attribute of one of the attributes of the children of this world. If you are good mannered, you're a good man, going your own way, doing some good stuff. Oh, they will tarnish your image. They know how to do that very well, the children of this world. If you're a bad mannered person, oh, forget about it. They will run away. In a New York minute, they will be away from you. If you have something in your hand, for example, Ronke, look, you have some food in your hand. They're going to sit and eat with you and marry with you. If your hand is empty like this, you see Ronke? It's empty like this, forget it. In a New York minute again, they are going to vamoose. You're not going to see them. Okay, J-O-B. If you have a good job, you're doing good, you're getting raises, your bosses, they like you, 401k, all kinds of benefits, health insurance, disability insurance, everything, you know, car loan, everything. Oh, forget it. They want to take that job from you. They will take it away from you. They will take that job away from you. That's the attribute of the children of this world. I tell you, okay. Now, if you are jobless, you don't have any job, forget about it. You won't see them around. They ridicule you. You are a laughing stock. Be a laughing stock if you don't have a job. That is folks of this world. That's what they do. All right, Ronke, look at you, baby. You are very beautiful. They will love you and steal you away from me. That is what they do very well. If you have a pretty wife. Excuse me. You see, Ronke, if your wife is ugly, forget it. People will mess with you, they will laugh at you, they will do their face, clean their face like that. When they see you, if your wife is not good looking. So I tell you, you see, in Africa, we have this bird. We call it akparo. It's a bush fowl, wild bush fowl. You see, the wild bush fowl, they don't shower they don't take a bath like other birds. They're very dirty. Very dirty, you know, they don't look good. Bushfowl. That is the person they like in this world. They want a person to be like a bushfowl. That's what the world likes, the children of the world. And that's how they sing it like this, that ènìyàn bí àparò láráyé ń fẹ́ o. ènìyàn bí àparò lọ́mọ aráyé ń fẹ́. Ènìyàn bí àparò láráyé ń fẹ́ o. Ènìyàn bí àparò lọ́mọ aráyé ń fẹ́. Àròkèlè mi. Thank you, folks. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening. Thank you for the viewership.